Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. In this episode, I'm going to show you how to make a sewing pattern for a grab dress from a basic sewing pattern. It has two layers at the front and with the right side dress being long and pointed at the hem. This is a shoulder strap dress with pleats at the waist and also the pleats are on the right side of me. So let's get started with today's video. This is a basic sewing pattern, so to be able to buy a sewing patterns drafting book, you can click on the link attached in the description below. And with this ebook, you will be guided through multiple steps of drafting your sewing pattern with your own measurements. And for those who already own the drafting pattern for women's ebook, you can ask me for your sizing pattern. Just need to give me your bust, waist, and butt measurement. However, I still want you to develop your sewing pattern on your own because it will help your ability improve a lot. Also, if you make payment within 7 days from the time this video is published, you will get 50% off the original price. So hurry up because this offer is only available for 7 days and for the first 50 people. And you will also have my support too in drafting sewing pattern and will be provided with free sewing patterns. And we will start our video right now. First, fold the A0 paper in half, then put the right front pattern piece on. The center front coincides with the paper fold line. Then draw the shoulder line, neckline, armpit line, and the side seam line down to the waistline. In the hip line, the side seam will be widened by 2 cm. The length of the dress will be about 5 cm above the knee. And then we will lengthen the side seam of the dress. Mark and draw the waistline and the side darts on the paper. And then cut the pattern out. Because the dress have two main pieces, so I will cut the two front body pieces at the same size. Mark right and left on the pattern pieces. Next, we will mark the midpoint of the left waistline. And now from the initial collar, the point takes in about 1.5 cm. Then we will connect those 2 points. From the point lying on the waistline, you need to draw a perpendicular line and across the hemline about 15 cm. Connect to the side seam, and this is the right side of the front body. Next, I will create a dash and a new neckline, and the dash is about 1.2 cm wide. So I will draw waist dash, but it is unnecessary and you don't have to do this.
Let me say thank you for all this time, babe. I've been loving every time I could call you mine. I don't know why I'm being the one feeling stupid. I'm feeling stupid.
Next, create the pleats on the right front pieces.
So now it's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies for the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. It's time for the goodbyes. Everything dies for the sunrise. Oh, you're alive. I'm gonna shut my mouth when you say what's
I forgot to change the sign on the left front, so I'll do it now.
It's time for the goodbyes, everything dies while the sun rises all your light. When I look at you like that, you lose it completely. Losing track of space and time. I don't wanna go home looking for a reason to stay here all night. I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same, the blood's rushing through your veins.
And then we continue close the neck dot. And open the please.
You usually don't share any secrets. Suddenly you're an open book. When I struggle to find the words, you get me completely. It's like I've known you forever, so I wonder, do you feel it too? Magic between me and you, the way that you make me feel. You wonder if I feel the same.
Then you need to close the fold and cut the excess paper.
Bet I'm everything you see. Bet I'm everything you need. We're high on this feeling, don't wanna come down. Just don't wanna tell me, get into my eyes. I'm everything you need. You need. I'm everything 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 you need. Bet I'm everything you see.
Then we need to draw a new armpit line and a new neckline.
Drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die if she sneezes right. Never wanna talk, pleading all the fights. Wanna take a walk on the other side. Feeling really fly on the feet.
Next, create the neck dot on the left front pieces. And then close the neck dot.
About to take a walk on the other side. If the people at the party look away, if peace, you're the cover of the scene. Doesn't really matter what you do. She gon' have to get herself up off her knees. Everybody looking up to pray, hoping so that this won't be the week. She only ever wanted to be cool. She never thought that she was gonna
Move to the back body. Place the back body patterns on the paper and draw the center back neckline, shoulder line, and armpit line. And also the side seam line down to the waistline.
snowflakes. Whoa. She got all the drugs she'll need tonight. Know that she won't die if she sneezes right. Never wanna talk, reading all the files.
Place the front body waistline on the back body. Then we need to draw the side seam and the hemline.
Something good, now she Jesus Christ. Creeping up on her, that she way too high.
Then we need to draw a new armpit line and a new neckline. And then cut the pattern out. Close the dart. Then draw a grand line. And locate the side pocket, which is usually about 5 cm below the waistline. And finally, determine the length of the shoulder strap. You need to calculate the total front and the back pattern. And I have shown you how to make a sewing pattern for a grab dress from a basic sewing pattern. I hope you guys see this video useful, and see you in the next video with how to sew the dress. And I believe there will be a new skills that you will need to supplement your sewing skills. So see you again and goodbye.